I get a lot of questions on how I make my spaghetti to turn out separately. So today I'm going to be showing you that trick. So I have spaghetti here for one person. This is a recipe for one person. It is just a video to show you how I make my spaghetti. So there are two key ingredients in this recipe. So my spaghetti and salt. The first step, when the water comes to a boil, I'm going to add in salt. Always add salt to your water before adding your spaghetti or pasta. Next, I'm going to carefully add in my spaghetti. Once my spaghetti are fully submerged in the water, I'm going to separate the spaghetti so that they don't stick. Once done, I'm going to cook the spaghetti according to the packaging instruction. Also, if you are making pasta, the same case applies. Add salt and then add in your pasta and cook according to the packaging instructions. I'm going to check if my spaghetti is ready by using my finger and pinching. Once the spaghetti snaps and you can't feel anything hard, the spaghetti is ready. So I'm going to drain and then I'm going to show you the next step. After I've drained the water, I'm going to add some margarine. You can add some butter as well. Toss the spaghetti around so that the spaghetti can be covered with the margarine. You can add some cooking oil as well if you don't have the margarine or butter. Once everything is ready, I'm going to serve my spaghetti. I find it very significant when I add margarine at the last point because my spaghetti always turn out amazing. So I hope you're going to be trying out the way I made my spaghetti and you're going to have a very nice outcome. Also, you can store the spaghetti. If you're doing a meal prep, you can store the spaghetti after adding margarine to your spaghetti and they will still be amazing the day you'll serve for your family. So I hope you'll be trying out this recipe.